Okay, y'all, it's Slim Mills. I'm back again. Just me here messing around with the machine. Still trying to figure things out. This time I used a different color. Mind you, this machine was a 16 head, they call it, which is 16 different colors at one time. So you can stitch 16 colors, and interchange each color and all that stuff, whenever it has to do it automatically or whatever. So this machine was a nice machine. So I'm sure when it first came out, people were going crazy on this joint. But yeah, so it's just me still messing around trying to figure things out. I got it sitting on the cabinet. Yeah, but this is me just playing around with it, still trying to learn, self-teaching myself. Actually, the material I'm using, I got it from the fabric store. It was a big giant fabric, and I forgot how many yards it was. It's probably like 1 yard or whatever. But I cut it up into like little squares and stuff to use it, just to practice on. Before I start buying hoodies and T-shirts and hats and all that. I just wanted to practice first, get my practice on. So that's what's going on right now. Yeah, it's cool. This is my baby. It's just when it kind of messed up right here, and I had to figure out how to fix it. So I was trying to, fix it back up so we could start doing what it do again. Start embroidering again. So that's what I had to do. So this is what's going on right now. Yep, just showing you another video of my trials and tribulations. Me trying to grow my business from scratch, from home. No money.